Hi, I'm Mike, a clinician at Livewell Robotic Therapy in Clarkston, Michigan. If you've been suffering from foot pain, you've come to the right place. This is the RX2600 therapeutic robot. It's a groundbreaking medical technology that performs robotic physical therapy. Robotic physical therapy is an advanced form of muscular therapy that focuses on soft tissue mobilization. Muscles can become shortened due to injury or repetitive daily activities. This can create imbalances that pull your body out of alignment. Lengthening the muscles takes tension off the bone structure, improving postural alignment, increasing mobility, and decreasing aches and pains. As you may know, foot pain is often caused by tight calves and plantar muscles. This tension creates imbalances that can lead to pain and compression of the nerves in the foot. Everyday habits like improper form with exercise, gait issues, or simply a sedentary lifestyle can trigger foot pain, causing tension and discomfort. Robotic physical therapy addresses the shortened and tight muscles with the goal to allow your body to get back to its natural alignment. The RX2600 is precise and efficient in the amount of pressure applied to the muscle tissue. Because of this, the patient discomfort is reduced to a minimum, if any at all. Many patients see results in the first session. Most of our patients' issues are resolved or manageable within 5 to 10 weekly sessions. When you compare the time and cost to other treatments, it's an affordable and effective solution. Sessions are once a week and last an hour, but your first session with us will be 90 minutes. This allows us to give you a full assessment in addition to a full treatment.